my new YouTube channel. I am Luke, and we are gonna start with flour.
Wait, what are we making?
We are making homemade Play-Doh, so we want something fun to do. We haven't made Play-Doh. I haven't had Play-Doh in so long in the past few years. So we're gonna do this. Our ingredients are flour, vegetable oil, salt, food coloring, and cream of tartar.
Water.
I forgot to say water, so we have water right here. And we've already measured the things all for you. And we will dump it in here, then put this whole thing inside here.
Okay, so what are you going to do? Dump in the flour first. So
Always dump in the flour, so it's way safer to make the flour wet after we're done.
So that, how much flour was that?
That was 40.
No, it was 2 cups of flour.
So we had 2 cups of flour right there.
Okay, now what?
We do salt, right?
And how much salt?
We do this whole salt thing.
Yeah, but how much is in there? We measured it out already, remember?
We already have 1 cup.
No.
3/4
cup of...
Yeah, this salt thing in right now. So we put it in. Good.
Now, how much cream of tartar?
We do cream of tartar right here.
How much do we need? 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Oh, Josiah, I need that recipe back.
2 teaspoons right here, right?
That's not a teaspoon.
Oh, this one.
Okay, so how are you going to do that? Lean over here. Okay. Just 2 of those. Don't spill the whole thing in there. A little bit more.
And then we have this. You're gonna put a tiny bit more. That's enough, right?
Not really.
I'll just put it in.
Let me help you.
You put it in.
Okay.
Now that's enough for
That's
us.
1. Now you need another one. Dump it.
Here we go.
1 more.
1 more.
Oh, it's stuck. Hold on.
Sorry.
Okay, dump it.
Sorry that was too loud.
Now stir it up
Yes, that was. Now we stir something.
with the whisk.
Oh, this. Okay, we stir this up now. It's really fun. It looks cool after it's done. It's like some kind of cake thing, but we're outside made in Play-Doh, not cake. I know it's weird for a kid making Play-Doh, but it's just what I do now.
All right, now we're going to start the stove.
No,
Okay, mix in the water carefully, and then we turn it on and
we're gonna put
heat
in
it
the
up.
water. Now we're gonna put it in the water.
Okay.
It's
And then
the
we'll put the oil in.
biggest and hardest part. Put it in.
It.
Oh.
Stir it up slowly. How much?
Now we
tablespoons
stir it
of
up
oil?
as slow as you can so you don't get all the water out. But if
Keep stirring.
I do get all this water out, it's just gonna be accident. You can do that on your practice round for Play-Doh anytime you want.
And you just have to clean it up.
Yes, and you always clean it up so you don't get something wrong again. And never take a video of you just because I'm starting my YouTube channel.
All right, now what's next?
This is enough. We are going
Need
to
the vegetable oil.
put the vegetable oil.
So how much vegetable oil?
You put this one.
2 tablespoons.
Oh,
Nope, that's a teaspoon. Honey, this big one.
this one.
No, this one. Tablespoon. All right, ready?
Here's our tablespoon, and we
2
put
of
it.
these.
Ooh, go slowly, mommy.
Okay.
There we
Dump.
go.
1 more.
One more. There we go.
All right, now we're gonna turn
Stir
on.
it up, Mom.
Just
Stir
put
it up.
Just put it down.
I want to stir it up.
Yeah, you can stir it up.
First, we stir it up. If you want to, it's your choice. If you don't want to, that's okay to make it quicker. Ew. I just got it on my chin. See? Oh, it's okay. It's just an accident. I get some accidents
Turn
sometimes.
this on low.
We put this on low.
You have to heat it up. No, you don't do it. Stir.
can you get it, please?
Then you say to the kids, be careful because the stove is hot, and you should always.
Please
have
be
the parent.
careful if you're on a kid just watching yourself, because
No, kids should not do this by themselves.
kids will never do this by themselves. So we're gonna stir it up.
You always have to have a parent. Stir it, stir it.
Always stir it first before you turn the thing on because it's very dangerous if you're doing a kid.
Okay, maybe you need to let me help you.
My foot is itchy.
Stirring.
Stirring.
It says it needs to turn into a ball.
Ball.
Right.
Okay, I'm trying to stir it. Oh yeah, we're back. Sorry. I couldn't steer it. It's
Yeah,
so hard.
you need to have an adult help you.
Always do that.
Get the lumps out. We've stirred it for about 3 or 4 minutes.
And it's really hard for kids. Please don't do it. Or
Don't do it without
if
an
you're a
adult.
10-year-old my mom's still steering.
Okay,
So
gotta look.
it's gonna take a few minutes.
So
Just
it gets
wait.
hard.
It's getting hard. So after it's hard, like a rock, we are going to start more.
No, you cook it until it turns into a ball.
Just like that. That's
It's
what I
starting to turn into a ball.
Yeah, that's just my mom talking. Oh, sorry.
See? Now it's almost ready. What are we gonna do once it turns into a ball?
Once we turn it into the ball, we are going to use this food coloring. So now that it's in a ball, we are going to
We
put
took it off the heat,
We took it off the heat,
and that was a total about 5 minutes cooking.
that was 5 minutes cooking. And we will put it split 1 bag. We do 2 bag, 3 bag, and then last one 4 bag. We split it up into 4 bags. It's very hot, so kids never touch it. I just touch it, but it didn't get me burned.
Okay, so
It's
now
works.
you open up the bag.
I will open up the bag for my mom to put it in. 1 bowl. Now we have another bowl what's gonna go in because we are really good YouTuber out there. Even if it's my first video. It's really fun. So hard to open these, Cindy. Last one. We have 1 more. Here it goes. Now it's inside. Now that you see now you see that we have 4 of them. I dropped one. That's okay because they do not split until the ball.
And now we're gonna add the color, right?
See, we have 4. Now we're gonna add the colors. Now we're gonna put the color now after my mom drops them in because
Open it.
we are gonna have super much fun on this. Is
Now,
that blue?
now we're putting it in the bag because we don't want to stain our fingers.
Yes.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5 drops. Now zip it.
5 drops, and then we
No,
let
your mom zip it.
let our moms or dads.
And now mix it up.
Now we mix up our Play-Doh. It's really fun to do actually, but it's very hot still in the Ziploc. It's hard, so
No. Come and mix it. We'll do that other color.
do this, and then we do this, and then we do this, and then we do this.
Don't squeeze it too hard. You're gonna break it.
We really love doing Play-Doh now, because now I know how to do. Just kidding. That's just from the show. Just kidding.
Okay, so we're gonna work on this for a while, but first let's put the colors so the kids can watch.
Now let's
Open.
put the color again. Open. I'm opening this. Now this is green. 1,
2,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Now we have 5. We're just reading.
Let's get the red.
Let's get the red. Red. We love red. Actually, it's not my favorite color. I like blue better.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was fun.
Now last one.
Last one is yellow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we have yellow on the ranch. 1, Now we're gonna
Now-
zip them up.
We'll mix it up and be right back.
We will mix it up. It's gonna be super quick. Now
I'm gonna take it out and mix it a
take
little
it out.
bit.
I want to feel it. It's hot though.
It's kind of hot.
Very hot. But I am using my
Once it's mixed a bit, and it won't stain our
Take
hands,
it out.
we'll mix it.
going to mix it up. It's easier when you take it out of Ziploc.
Look, knead it, like push.
We need it up and up and
Do
up.
that.
That's just my mom.
Okay.
Now we do
Keep on
more.
mixing.
And it'll just keep getting redder and redder.
I think we need to add a few more drops of color.
Because it doesn't look so red at this point.
Right, let's take a video of it. Put it down.
Cool.
Okay.
So
So
cool.
it's let go.
It's so feel.
So it's mostly pink.
But we need more to
So
make it
we'll
red.
add a few more drops. Right?
But we do it in the Ziploc always to be safe and don't drop it here because it'll make your kitchen red. It's really fun. We just needed every one of them. That was so fun. And now we're gonna put.
It took
this
about
into-
15 minutes.
It took 15 minutes to knead every one.
And who helped you with the grain?
Saya.
My brother. He
My
helped
brother
me.
Josiah. He's really nice. Anyway, we have a big trampoline.
Okay, so here's the final. Look at our colors. Why don't you put it here?
Get to play with them.
Blue, yellow. It kind of turned out pink. You have to put a lot more
Yeah,
food coloring if you want it to be darker.
That's okay, but
And then our green. And then
green is the best. And the blue, and the yellow, and the red. I hope you have fun making your own Play-Doh. Bye!